most of the guys that are will be there this weekend are, guys that were off last year's regional championship, PSAC championship team. So I believe they will be well prepared. For the men in the singles will be Vitor Albanese, Mateus Santos, and Mauricio Santos. And for the doubles, we're going to have Vitor and Daniel Fernandez, and we're going to have Mateus Santos and Kolja, Hein, freshman new one. For the women, we're going to have Julia Hellstern and Roxana Yeh in the singles. And we're going to have Roxana Yeh and Lopez in the doubles. Yeah, I think everybody's back from last year, so we're experienced. We're very solid as a whole team with the women, from top to bottom, very even. So I was looking see if we'd have some breakthrough matches. We were very close in a couple. Could have even went farther. So with Vitor, he's won 2 singles titles this fall. So has had a remarkable fall. He's kind of like as far as our team goes, he's kind of like the. I'm going to make the comparison to the Cleveland Cavaliers, LeBron James. He's kind of like the LeBron James of Edinboro University tennis team. But all those guys are very extremely hardworking. I'm sure no matter what the scores are or how far we go into it, that we will do as well as we possibly can for that moment in time. And for the women, it's a little dicier because we really just haven't had a whole lot of play. Honestly, trying to get through the first round, moving as far as we can we only have 2 singles and 1 doubles team in it, so we don't have as many spots in the tournament. But hopefully they do as well as they can, get themselves in situations and come out on top. So that's the goal. Just play as well as we can, see how far we can go, and if we play very, very well, I think both teams will do really well in this.
So last year, I think I could have done better. That's what I'm trying to do this year, getting further in the tournament. I'm playing singles this year. Last weekend, or like 2 weekends ago with ITAs, I was playing doubles mainly because in singles, when singles started, I injured myself. I rolled my ankle when I was up 3-2. I was feeling pretty well playing, but yeah, then that happened, so I was really upset that I couldn't continue. So I hope this weekend will go better and that I can make up for that.
For these PSACs, now I know the majority of the girls that who is going to play in PSACs. So I think that is like better, because my first year I didn't know anything. So now I have more knowledge about that.
I think throughout the last year we've improved a lot in general. I think also that's due to new people coming in last year. And back then, I mean, Lala and Tati and like some others, they were freshmen back then, and they improved throughout the year a lot. So I think we're a stronger team this year, and we have the potential to beat a lot of teams we couldn't beat last year. So I think I'm pretty positive about it.
Yeah, I'm positive too, because I say that we improve a lot, because almost all the team was freshmen last year. So I think that we have more positive, more confidence with the games.
They play pretty well together, so I think they can make it far in PSACs.
Yeah, we feel comfortable together, because first we speak the same language, so it's better for us like communicate it between the games and the points.
Yeah, like I'm playing singles, of course, win the tournament, but I also hope like the other guys from the team, they can go far, because last year me and Mateus, we did the semifinals, so that was pretty cool to show like that we are the strongest team in the conference. About doubles, last year I lost the first round, so that's definitely something that I want to improve this year. Have different partners, so different things. I hope we can go far in the doubles tournament too. And Daniel, like we are both juniors, so we kind of split this lead. Last year we had a tough first game, we played the team that won the ITAs, and we had some chance to have like 6-4 and to break them to do 7-4 and serve. We couldn't. Then we served 6-5, we lost. And then we had another chance in 7-7. So we had a lot of chances against a pretty good doubles team. So I think overall we didn't play bad, but we could have done better. I really hope, like Mauricio, he's so good. He's so solid, like ground strokes and stuff. So he's very consistent. I think he can do really far. Last year he lost to Nenad, one of the good guys from Mercyhurst, to 7-6. So it was tough. And Mateus is another opponent. Like he's another really good tennis player. He's more aggressive than Mauricio. Like he has more power in his strokes. Last year I played against him in the semifinals, and that was pretty cool because we can show the other teams that we're the strongest in the conference.
So last year we played first the PSACs and then the ITAs, and it was my first year as a freshman, and it was like one of the first tournaments that we played. I was a little bit like quite nervous, and I didn't know how it was gonna be. And I played some guys that I'd never seen, like I don't know how the guys plays. And this year I know how everybody in the conference play. I know I have more experience playing Vitor because we practice a lot. So I think this year we had ITAs last weekend that gave us like more rhythm to this weekend. And I think this year I have more, like I can say, more experience so that I can play the same guys again and like be able to win PSACs.
Kind of the same. Now, my last year I didn't know how the guys of the conference play, and now I know each one of them play. I have potential to win, so I'm trying to do my best. I have my goal, but my goal is to be better than last year, so it's kind of going to the semifinals.
No, for me it's everything new, so I don't know how the guys play. And yeah, I'm looking forward to know each one better. I hope that we play better like this weekend, and I hope I will play better in the singles. I hope I earn more experience. Yeah.
We're like a new double. Like we don't know each other so good. Like I know Danny, we played the whole year last year, but for the little that I know, I think we have like a chance to make it good, like into the semifinals or quarterfinals of doubles. Of course, we have to improve a lot, but if we play how we play the ITAs, I think we can like even go to the final or to the semifinals.
I think we can play. Play very good together. Last weekend we played well. We did good. So I think we have a chance to win.
Cal U wasn't there at ITA, so we'll see them at PSACs. They're always really tough to play. There's, I think, still one German on there. I played against her last year. She's Lena Dimmer. She's really good, so we'll see. Hopefully if I play against her this year, I can beat her.
I lost with Lena Dimmer in PSACs too. But if I give the best for myself, I can beat whatever I want.
I think pretty much all our team, we like to play against Mercyhurst. They're pretty strong, and we're not the rivals, but we're pretty much playing the final of the conference every year. So we like to play against them, so all the Mercyhurst players I would like to play. Our team is pretty much the same, we just changed one player. And their team, I think they have some new faces. I think they have three old faces. So the old guys, yeah, I think I play against most of the other guys in the Mercyhurst team. So yeah, that'll be fun.
Mercyhurst is a tough opponent too. Our region in general is really strong, so yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I beat one Mercyhurst girl last semester. I feel comfortable with that, but I want more. I want like beat #1 of them, but so hard to do.
Yeah, I would like more to play the more serious guys. Like we have like little, like we played a lot of times already. So like we know a lot of them. Like we know how to play them already. Of course, not gonna be easy to play against them, but for me, I think I would like to play one of them, like in the quarterfinal or the semifinals.
I like to play them because we played last year 3 times and we won, so I know the guy that I'm gonna play if I play against Mercyhurst. But for me, it doesn't matter the guy. I'm going there and try to beat anyone. So for me, it's good to know that I want to play Mercyhurst, but it doesn't matter. I will try to beat.